What's happening, guys? Coming at you from DOWN4SOUNDShop.com, and in this video we're releasing another Down4Sound amplifier. Why? Because people asked for us to make a little bit more powerful 4-channel amplifier from our Mini Maxx series. As you can see in front of us, we have a Mini Maxx series of amplifier, which this is a 1604. The prior models to this one is a Mini Maxx 504, which is a 50x4, Mini Maxx 1004, which is 100x4, and now we have the 1604, which is 160x4. So we keep going up in the power for you guys. In the mini series of amplifiers, you can only go so big, obviously, because we're trying to keep the casing smaller. Also, update on the Mini Maxx 3K. As you know, when it first came out, they were super long. This was an oversight on my part. It was way too long. So we're coming out with the Mini Maxx 3000 version 2, which is going to be 4 inches shorter than the current model. So anyway, be on the lookout for that. We should have those in the next couple of months. So let's go over the Mini Maxx 1604 right here. Obviously comes in a ton of different colors. You can see along the side of the box right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different colors currently. And then we're always adding different colors. So for power ratings, 4 ohms by 4, we have 162 ohms per channel, which it will do no problem. 224 watts, and also 4 ohms bridge is going to be 455 watts by 2. And the measurements we have on this is 9.8 long, obviously 4.8 wide, and then 2.13 inches tall. So again, this is to run mids and highs with, so you can run some nice mid-range speakers. You have all your crossover points, and right here you have your RCAs, which plug into here. So anyway, you have your gain. This is for channels 1 and 2 on the top, and 3 and 4 on the bottom. Then you have your high-pass filter, low-pass filter, your times 10 switches, like so. And obviously, with all of our amplifiers that aren't marine, we have the clear plexi on the back because we're not trying to hide anything. We're always giving you guys high-quality components inside of our amplifiers. On this side, you have the speaker terminals here, which is going to be good enough for 8 gauge or 14 gauge, 8 gauge maybe. But again, this is 160x4, so you don't need a ton of wire to go to your mids and tweeters. You got your power light, protect light, clip light, and then you got your 4 gauge. This one is currently $219 on new release pricing. So we're going to do it there, but I'm sure it's going to take off. And also our tax time pricing may be applied to this by the time you see this video. Tax time deal has been going for about a month, and we're going to leave it going until March the 14th. So you have plenty of time to take advantage of these deals. Again, it comes in 10 different colors, a lot of power, small footprint. You can use these on motorcycles or cars where you don't have a lot of room. Great amplifiers for that, 10 different colors. Yeah, it's going to be everything. Appreciate you guys' support at DOWN4SOUNDShop.com. If you need anything, hit up the website or give us a call, 702-701-9800. See you later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.